So today I'm going to share with you guys how to do your directionals for the Holley 12.3 Pro Dash. Don't mind my fuel cell wiring. This is just temporary, like I said, because I was trying to figure out the gauge and the fuel level. So we got it figured out, and I have a tutorial as well for that. But let me show you guys how to do your directionals so that it flashes on the 12.3. You could do it, I guess, two different ways. You could use an actual symbol, or you can use the actual directional. You see that? Let me edit this, customize. Let me delete this real quick. And this is the one for my fuel level that we got working with the fuel cell. So I'm going to delete this real quick. See, I already have them right here, so we're going to delete. And then this is the actual, well, we'll delete it for now, but this is the actual little circle you could use. But what you want to do first, you go to menu, you go to your configurations, dash configurations, and you want to make sure in the rear you're pinned into input 8 and input 9, and you have it switch to 12 volt. That's pretty much how I have mine hooked up on a flasher. On the relay board down there, it's on a flasher and everything, so it's already pinned onto this and it's hooked up to this. And pretty much what you want to do after you have everything pinned on and enabled, you want to go to customize, you want to add, and you want to add a gauge. Add gauge. And what you're going to do is go to your local inputs, and then you're going to look for your directionals: right turn, left turn. Let's just do the right turn for now. Click OK. And then from here, this is what I'm talking about. You could do two different ways. You could either go status LED, which is the little circle and it just turns on and off, or you could do a symbol. If you choose to do a symbol, it comes up like that, but that's completely fine. You want to customize it, you go right into it. This, you want to hit clear. After you hit clear, you want to hit symbols, and you'll actually see our little symbol right there, our right directional. So you could do this for a bunch of different things, even your headlights, your parking brake, like whatever you pretty much pin into this. It's pretty cool. So press OK. For this video, we're just gonna make it huge so you guys could see it. Click OK. Our warning lights, 1, that's fine. Steady warning light, that's not what we want. We want it to flash the rate quick, and then you want to enable the high warning. Click OK. Click OK, and then let's just move it like right here for now. And then what you want to do is click save. After you save it, like I said, if this is pinned into the right input into here, and you have, well, I did my own wiring for my truck, so I have my own flasher, my own relay board and everything, and I did my own circuits. I don't know if you guys can see the flashers right there. So after you have that pretty much set up, once you turn the right directional, you see that? Now it's flashing. That's pretty much how you get your directional, your flashers or whatever on the Pro Dash, so that it works, so that you could pretty much play a little bit more with your layouts and add a little more things. I'm still, like I said, still playing a lot with the Pro Dash. I like it a lot. I figured out a lot of things and how to pin it, how to make it do a lot of things that I want to do. So I just want to share that just to help a couple of you guys, because I know some of you guys might be curious how to do that. But there you go, super simple and easy.